Hey everybody, welcome back, and I am back with, as promised, another ThredUP Rescue Box to sell on Poshmark, possibly to keep. We have to see. We are on, this is box number 4. I believe I did 8 altogether. We've already opened 3. They are all now here. I know the last video I was still waiting on 2. So those 2 have shown up. In between that, I did an order for myself. So this might be my order or it might be the rescue box. I just kind of threw everything together. Nobody has time to check for tracking numbers, so we're just gonna open it and see what happens. So the first 3 boxes, in case you didn't watch those videos, I will leave them linked somewhere. One was a scarf box, one was a mixed clothing, I believe, and the other one might have been tops. I don't even remember at this point. I'm trying to get these all done. I am slow as shit with listing. So as you are watching this, none of the stuff in the other videos is listed yet. It probably won't be for a while until I want to open all the boxes first, see what's in all of them, and then decide what I'm going to list, what I'm going to keep, what I'm going to lot together to sell. So in case you don't know, I am a part-time seller on Poshmark. I've been selling for about a year. It's just me, myself, and I, so I'm happy with where I'm at. I just recently hit I think now I'm at 530 sales, which is super exciting. And look, I'm happy for one sale a day, if that's how it works. But I'm cool with that. It's fun. So you can find me at Reckless Beauty. I will leave that linked down below as well if you want to check out my closet. All right. Let's see how this is going to work. This one obviously is another, so I don't know. The two clothing boxes that I did, not counting the scarf, one was a plus size box and the other was a 12, I think it was an 8 to 10 box, size wise. I have an issue with the plus size. Look, I said it in the last video. I wear these plus size, so when I say there's no cute clothes, I can say that because it's my struggle. Walking into J. Crew and not finding anything larger than a size 10. It's just the way that it is. So it's funny because the first box I did, there was a Topshop dress, there was an Anthropologie sweater. I was freaking out how excited. Then I opened the plus size box and it was literally just so blah. You know what I mean? A striped shirt. I don't know, I'm kind of falling in love with the sweater that had the chicken or the duck in the beret. I don't know, but cute stuff you would see in a size 8 and 10. I feel we don't get that in plus size clothing, and I mean I don't know why. I don't know why. But oh, here we go. So this one was the rescue box. It was prints and patterns. I don't remember if this was just shirts or not. We might have some pants in here. So yes. So if you're not familiar with ThredUP, it's an online, I call it an online, I don't know, maybe consignment store, thrift store, where they sell used clothes for you to buy, and then you can also send in your clothes. I love ThredUP. This is my first go at rescue boxes. I mean, even though this is my 4th box, this is my first time doing the rescue boxes. I've done the goodie boxes before, which is kind of a Stitch Fix, subscription. So not a subscription box, but you pay mystery box maybe would be better. You pay a fee, it's a $10 styling fee, and then they send you a box. They also have a type of goodie box where they send you as many of your likes, because you can like items, as many likes that they can of yours in one box for you to try before you buy, because they do now have a restocking fee and a return fee. So if you try stuff and you don't like it, it's $1.99 per item to return it, and then also I believe it's $8.99 for the return label. So, but they have this goodie box where you can try your likes. I just wedged this box in here, but this is how it comes. This might actually be my purchase. Oh no, this is not my purchase. We just said it was a Prints and Patterns. Okay, so it's size extra large 16. I'm excited because maybe there's cute stuff in here that I can keep, but it's plus size, so I'm nervous because the one box hasn't been good. What is this? Fair Isle boot sock. What is this? Ralph Lauren Angora socks. What makes these socks plus size? Sock size 9 to 11. Fits shoe size 4 to 10.5. I guess socks could be plus size, y'all. That we're learning something new. But these are cute. These are cute boot socks. I don't know, socks. I love socks. Maybe I'll keep those. Who knows? Didn't realize we were getting shoes in here with the... Okay, these are SO, I think is the way you say it. These are just some Walmart flip-flops. They're in a size large. No, it's... SO is Kohl's. I always thought it was Walmart. But that says... That has a Kohl's price tag on it. $5. These look really big. 10.5. You know what? I might actually list these. I don't wear a size 10.5, but I like buying bigger shoes. Like if I do boutique, like if I buy wholesale, I try to do like size 9, 10, 11, because I find that the bigger sizes sell a lot better than the smaller sizes. Probably because everybody buys like 7, 7.5, 8, 8.5. Those packages always go first. And there's always the 9, 10, and 11 left over. And I'm right there to swoop it up because, you know, I was at Goodwill and I was buying, a lot of the shoes were a 9 and a 10. And the girl checking me out, ringing me out was like, oh, she's like, I'm so excited that you found larger shoes. She was like, I have a size 10 and it's impossible to find shoes. And I'm like, see? So, maybe I'll list these. Not much to be made though on, maybe I can bundle them with something. Ooh, what is this? This is Sea Wonder, I think, is the brand. It had paper inside of it. I don't know, maybe this is a makeup bag. I think this is Sea Wonder. It looks like the sea that you would find on the label. The labels are usually actually this color, green, but it's just a cute little makeup bag. I have no idea what the comps would be on this. I don't think I've never listed a makeup bag, so I don't know. I might keep that. No, I'm just kidding. I'll probably list it. Where are my Prints and Patterns at? Here we go. Come on, size 16. Don't let me down. Ooh, these are shorts. Issa and Ella. Oops. Right there. These are super cute. I don't know what this brand is though. Let's see. 142730. Okay, so it's not Anthropologie, but these are actually super cute. And I don't wear shorts, so, but I really like these. These I would definitely list, because I really like these. It might turn into those flip-flops being like a free gift. Free gift with purchase. Another skirt. What's this? Jones, New York. I don't usually pick up Jones, New York. It could be a good brand to sell. I have absolutely no idea. This is a very weird material. I don't know if you can see that. Green. What's that? Extra large. That's cute. I don't know. I know animal print is very much in right now, so. Does that have a pull? This looks like, oh, LL Bean's signature. This is a size 16. Oh, this is cute. All right, LL Bean, you might be saving this box. This is super cute. It is blue striped, and it is very cute. It has the tie at the back. Super cute. And what's the back? Let's see. Oh, we got a zipper. Let's see. Oh, it goes way past the ankle. So this dress might save the whole box. That's super cute. That one I'll definitely list. I don't usually list LL Bean. What is this? 3J Workshop. This is very interesting. Let's see if it's Anthro. Probably not. Whenever I see a funky tag, though, I gotta look. What month? It is not. 3J. But look at the tag. You know, that's like something that you would see on like Anthropology. Extra large. This is actually cute. A little, like maybe over a bathing suit or something. That's pretty. Blue flowers. Oh my god, it's Johnny Was. Stop the presses. I have not. Okay, hold on. Rewind. Oh my god. It's Johnny Was. I am so excited. So let me just tell you. As a Poshmark seller, or even as a thrifter in general, there's always like those brands that you really, really, really want to find that you just, like, you don't find. For a while, for me, it was Lululemon. And when I do find Lululemon, it literally takes me months to list it because I'm so paranoid that it's fake. I freaking research the mess out of it. It literally takes forever. Johnny Was is one of those one of those brands that I've just been like dying to find because they're so cool. Like the prints are amazing. And I have found one tank top, and it was like a vintage tank top. It was like a cami, and it's the only piece I've ever found. And I am so excited because this is so cool. Oh my god. Alright, I am taking back my words. The box is not being nice for size 16. My other brand that I'm looking for is like I've never found Show Me Your Moo. But I think that's because that's more of a West Coast brand, and I'm on the East Coast. Style and Company. Just a basic striped turtleneck sweater. I would probably list that because this is basic. I like listing basic things, and I'll tell you why. Like, some people won't list like something basic, but I had a Lily Pulitzer skirt that I just sold. It was like a yellow eyelet skirt, and the lady that bought it was actually looking for a yellow skirt for her daughter for, I don't even know, she said program, which makes me think it's almost like maybe some type of like school function, and she needed a yellow skirt, but it had to be like knee length. So I had a yellow Lily Pulitzer. So you're thinking someone's sitting behind the computer typing in like yellow knee length skirt. You know, people look for specific things. So even if something is like plain white, list it, because there's plenty of times I've gone on Poshmark looking for like a white shirt or a specific black shirt. So it doesn't have to be the funky brands. Simply Vera Wang. This is Kohl's most likely, but this is cute. See, I would definitely list this. This is definitely, you know, like if you need to go out to dinner somewhere, but you don't have anything to wear and you don't want to spend a lot of money, you know. This is pretty though. And then it has, I like the back too. Oops, that's the armpit. I've never listed Vera Wang, so we will see how that goes. Uh-oh, this looks like an Anthro tag. Oh no, Style and Company Woman. Okay, so this, I'm not familiar with Style and Company plus size, I guess you can say. This says OX, which I'm not 100% sure what that is. It doesn't look super big. So this might be maybe like a 1X. But this is cute. I'm taking it all back. These are really cute. Look at this detail. I don't know if you're able to see it. It has like the detail at the bottom. This is super cute. Okay. Yeah, most of this is gonna get listed. Absolutely. So that actually worked out better. This box was $22. So this was one of the boxes. In case you didn't watch my first video, I bought 2 boxes just like this that were $38. And I used the code for free shipping. Then I went on like a day or 2 later and the boxes had gone down to $22. And free shipping. So, I don't know, it was weird. I don't know if I'm going to list the socks. I don't know. But thank you so much for watching. I will let you know when this stuff gets listed, but if there's something that you're interested in, let me know and I will list it. I will list it for you specifically. That way you can just pop right on to Poshmark and buy it. If it's something you see that you really like, I will absolutely do that for you. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I will leave my closet down below so you can go check out, see what's happening there. I will leave the other 3 videos linked down below so you could go watch those. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to ring that bell because there is like 5 more of these boxes to go. So I don't want you to miss any of the ones that I upload. Once I get all the boxes up, then I can start listing this. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and until the next one.